Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online classes. I hope you're all fine. Our today's topic is from the textbook Unit number 1 Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an embodiment of justice. In this chapter we are going to learn about the justice of our holy prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. First of all, I am going to discuss the main idea of the lesson. The main idea of the lesson is importance of justice. A society can make progress only by justice. Justice brings peace and harmony in the society, so we must try to maintain justice in all our matters. Allah's Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a great example of all of mankind. A number of incidents give evidence to the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam's justice. He abided by Allah's commands even with non-Muslims and never made any concessions in implementation of justice. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam's dealings with non-Muslims is the best example to follow for the Muslims. In this chapter we are also going to learn about the preaching of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Believing that God had chosen him as his messenger, Muhammad began to preach what God had revealed to him, the simple and clear-cut message of Islam, that there is no God but Allah, and that life should be lived in complete submission to the will of Allah, with attractive to many people, and they flock to hear it. In this chapter, the writer has also discussed the justice of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam was so well known for his justice that even the Jews, who were his bitter enemies, brought their suits to him, and he decided cases in accordance with the Jewish law. He very strictly followed the If you decline, they cannot hurt you in the least. If you judge, judge in the equity. For Allah loves those who judge in equity. Justice demands that it should be upheld in all the circumstances, even in one's family or relations. All of his life, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam judged other people's affairs with justice and told his companions to be just. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam throughout his life stood up for the justice and opposed all forms for oppression. Indeed, Allah orders justice and good conduct, and it is He who appointed a beloved messenger as a judge to let the justice prevail. Thank you.